So today I'm with Joyce and we're going to cook some fish. In Malay it's called ikan nyok-nyok. And please present the fish. Okay, let's see how it goes.
How to do that? 你这样我没有那么快耶。
我要看你怎么样做的。
没有，还是要去鳞片呢。OK。哦，因为有这个鳞片。
哦，对。
所以要把
细的。
让它用掉。
Next, I'll be cutting some onions because I'm gonna make some fish soup, and of course we would need some tomato. Oh, 很棒。哦，喷到我的脸。So Joyce is busy cutting the fish there. I'm busy cutting the vegetables here. Not really vegetable. And then, lemak tebal. Goyang gitu ini. All the important stuff. And then the most important thing is the apa ni? Ginger. Inilah kita dalam lab pun masak So this is not a typical lab because we can cook in the lab. Unlike other lab where you have the chemicals, but our lab we have cooking utensils. Important for us. Yeah, we actually normally just cook me lah, especially because it's a bit hard to get halal food outside. Joyce is patiently listening to me babbling to the video.
自言自语，你知道这个意思吗？
自言，
你跟自己讲话。
哦，自言自语，
Yeah.
对吗
Yeah.
If you all don't know, she normally speaks in Chinese and I'll speak in English sometimes in real life. That's been my life for the past 2 years and a half with 这个金尊。What are you doing? So the next part, she's gonna cut it because we're gonna make it half for the soup and half baby 小心啊，为什么你 why you hold the
这个没有很利耶。
I think I should do it.
OK 啦，我可以。
你可以啊？
Takut
aku tengok dia buat macam mana ni. Astaghfirullahalazim.
这个不好用耶。
小心哦，你的手。
I know, but the problem is the knife. Oh.
Now she's gonna try to remove the internal organs because just now I actually cut the head off. 因为它没有力。我比较厉害啊。
Yes. Bye.
Okay.
Maybe you can use more bad. 要小心啊。
Jarang masak ikan. I seldom cook fish, so I'm not really sure how the hell I kind of choke. Oh, I think
你很厉害。
I'm doing some kind of exercise.
Okay.
Okay, so 有一半。So maybe we should cut more.
等一下。
No. Okay.
Wait. 因为这个要 fry，
Oh, okay.
所以
看你的。
Crazy.
Nak potong ikan je boy. Tapi macam apa?
没办法耶。
哇，他了解我的马来文耶。
我不知道啊。Can you cut?
Okay, 这样。
这个。哦，
哎，you okay? 然后这边。
哦 yes。差好多哦，你怎么那么贵啊
Okay. So I've already put inside the fish, and I will 直接放这个啊。
为什么你讲中文？
我要随便。
你忘了你的英文。
Yeah, I'm just gonna put all this stuff inside here with some celery soup. Celery soup. Celery leaves, okay. And then we have this, the Malaysian adabi soup, ikan fish soup spices. So kena panaskan. We need to cook the ginger first. Then only it will taste nice.
哇，那是
Dan oli jatuh ya. Dia macam eksperimen aku ni. Baru tambah air. Then later I will add the fish. Meanwhile, Joyce is busy cutting the fish. Because we're trying to fry it later. So the head and the tail is where we're gonna put for the soup. Smell
这个也
macam
可以，因为这个有骨头，
how?
比较不适合用。
So Joyce is a bit different. If in Malaysia the tail is normally used to fry, but she said put this in the soup.
The feel？
The fish and the tail.
哦，因为那个不好切，切一片。哦，
And she wanted to put this also. 这个
一些
raw.
小小的给你。
我不喜欢那个洞，你吃啊？
我没有要吃啦，那个是增加味道。
哦。
挑嘞。
Oh, basically she said the head she won't eat it, but she just want to put in the soup for the taste. Aku pula jadi translator.
很香耶，这个不要了，还是你觉得可以煮汤？
可以啊，试一下。这个也可以试一下，因为有血。血哦，血 is blood。好香哎！
你的那个调味好香。
Memang bagus ya sup adabi ni punya spices. So ni last nanti lah kita masukkan. Okay, sebab kita student, because I'm quite lazy. Normally I have to wait for it to boil, but I simply just whatever, just put it in. Whatever. We're gonna eat it anyways. So just, I guess we let it until it boils. Next, I'm just gonna put some apa benda turmeric, because we're gonna fry it. So this is the typical Malay style. You just put turmeric and you fry. Put this aside until the soup is ready, while she is busy helping me to wash. Entry, daun ketumbar. No, daun celery. 放在里面。
掉出来。
Next step, I don't know why she wants to sit beside me.
我要一起，跟你一起。
We want to fry the fish. Bismillah. Because ni duduk je, dia bukan nak buat apa kan.
声音很好听的。
Goreng ikan je pun.
Oh，粘住了，粘住了。
It's too hot already.
Oh really？
You smell?
Yeah。
It's the turmeric smell. You should learn your English.
So now we have to spell.
Turmeric. So just now she was saying the soup is a bit different. Taiwan style is where you put the soup only with the fish and they add the ginger. But Malaysian, we like to add everything. We add tomato lah, we add all the soup, leaves, everything. So it tastes better. So that's why when she tasted the soup just now, she was like, oh, very delicious. You're welcome. Yeah, Taiwanese food is a bit bland because they don't put MSG like us. Oh wait, look at her, so excited.
我先吃啦，
起来，看你很开心。
应该那个我有准备盘子，所以可以把鱼拿起来。
So she's eating 面 and I'm eating 饭。
我们可以吃这个的，
我要吃小小的。
喝汤的。
哦，不用。给你。
哇！这个是不能碰到湿的。
I see. So this is the fried one, and we have the soup there.
有字哦。
什么？Oh, untuk letakkan tulang dia bawa. Tulang. Takut lah makan ikan.
Hmm. 做了。
我真的可以煮饭啊！I can
你
really
可以
cook。
卖。
你喜欢对吗？
你觉得汤比较特别，这个只有外面有味道，但是里面还好。婚姻以后没有工作，你去开餐厅。
可以啊。
你在台湾开那个穆斯林的餐厅。你要吃哎！
哦，我忘记，我喜欢炸的，不健康的东西。
因为比较方便。这里还有很多的。
哎呦，太复杂。
麻烦。
太复杂。
应该可以。比较简单嘛 ，just eat。
今天的 cooking 完成，
成功。
哦，成功。成功。下次见。